everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching today. I am going to do my Mint Mongoose February unboxing. So that's why I'm kind of jewelry free right now. We'll jump into it in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. I know I have been missing in action. I unfortunately was sick again this past week and it's kind of driving me crazy. This year has been not so good for me. But I'm feeling better. I'm trying to get back in action and really missed you guys. So thank you for joining me today. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and typically on my channel I do makeup unboxings, try-ons, and makeup reviews. However, this is my only non-makeup box for this channel. I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. It would make such a huge difference for me. And without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into Mint Mongoose. So I did get my package in this beautiful teal color, which is their kind of official color. They did, of course, include a Werther's candy for me, which I'm going to pass along. I typically don't eat those. And then the beautiful branding with that Mint Mongoose seal. Again, I love their branding. They do also include a little card here, and this card says Beauty in the Progress. And this on the back then tells you the inspiration for this month's theme. And so the inspiration this month is inspired by the words Beauty in the Process, hence the front of the cover. And so we'll jump into this. They do have multiple levels of beauty boxes or bags. So this one is about $14.99. It comes with 3 pieces, typically 2 necklaces and a pair of earrings, although they do switch it up sometimes. There is another one level, which is, I believe, $21.95 or right around there, where you can get 5 different 5 different jewelry pieces. I do find the jewelry pieces are fairly good quality. This is costume jewelry, so it's not going to be like very valuable crystals or anything like that, but I think the quality overall is good. Typically, I really like the collections. The earrings don't hurt my ears. My ears are a little sensitive, so I have to be careful with what I wear. And then they do also have tons of add-ons on their website. There is a t-shirt subscription that they've come up with and several others. So check them out. I do know there's tons of other jewelry subscription boxes, and I would be interested to hear if any of y'all get any of the other ones. Like I think there's rock socks and there's all kinds of other ones. Drop me a line and let me know if you like those, if you'd like to see some of those on here. But we're going to jump into the bag if I can get it open this month. This month doesn't want to come open. Here, let me just break out the scissors. And so Beauty in the Process is the theme. Beautifully packaged again in all the branding. And then they do always include a thank you card with the information for their media, social media on the back. And the first thing that fell out already is a little ring. And so this is just a very dainty, it is adjustable, so any size, kind of a twist pattern. And I'll get up close at the very, very end. So you just, ooh, that one's pretty big. You can just adjust it. I could never wear it on this finger because it's actually way too big. It won't even get that small. Maybe on that finger right there. And I'll get this closer later. And so then there should be 2 items in here. So let's open this up and check it out real quick. So the first thing I see is a necklace. And on each of the things, they do put a little coupon code, or a little coupon really, it's not a code. Spend $40 on individual items and get your next box free. And that's on Mint Mongoose. These are actually earrings, not the necklace. And they are beautiful. Hang on, let me get them out. So they are Dangle Earrings. And one of them did come apart, but they're super easy to put back together when you get them. Hang on. So if they do come apart, these are these little ones like this. You literally only have to take your little wire, slip it back in, make sure you actually put it the right way. so that it goes back on there, and then you can take pliers and close that top part closed so it won't come off again. So these are beautiful. I chose gold. You can get rose gold as well as silver. Dangle earrings with a black and white marbled patterned insert in there. So we'll put these on right here. I think I squished this one closed a little too much. Got excited. Same exact thing. I do think those are so cute. I tend to go for a little smaller pieces for me, and those are perfect, like the perfect little dangle, just very dainty. And let's check out the necklace. I know this is a necklace because we got the earrings already, and a ring is the other one. So let's pull this open real quick if I can actually get it open. I do appreciate that everything comes very well packaged so that nothing, at least nothing that I've received yet, has been broken, which I do appreciate. And I do love the branding. The Mint Mongoose is on everything, and I do love that color, of course, so right up my alley. And here is the necklace. So it's going to be very similar to the earrings. It will have that bar here with that marbled pattern. I love that all of the necklaces are very adjustable. You have multiple different strands that you can put them on. And so I'm going to just put this on real quick. Maybe. And so you can see that's the little necklace right there. It is pretty short. But again, you can adjust it to make it longer. And so let's get up close and check all this out. So I'm hoping that's in focus. It doesn't look really in focus here, but it's hard for me to tell. So that's the earrings right there. I'm going to put the ring up right next to it. You can see it's that braided pattern. And then I am going to hold the bar of the necklace up so you guys can see that. I do really like this theme, this pattern, all of it. Very pretty. So that was this month's February Mint Mongoose unboxing. I loved having you here with me. Thank you so much for joining me. Please drop me a line below. Let me know what you thought about the box, or if there are other jewelry boxes that you would really like to see. I would love to do that for y'all. Just let me know. And again, I loved having you. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video.